Hi everyone, I'm August. Thank you for being here. This week I did another swipe with the minimal Cell Activator. I did one before, I really liked it, so I wanted to do another one. I do have to tell you, you're gonna see it in the dried results. There are 3 or 4 white spots on the painting where bubbles popped as it was drying. It's my own fault. I had just gotten back from vacation. I really wanted to paint, so I mixed up the paints, and directly after that I did this pour. I think I thought to myself, like, oh, it's a swipe, you're gonna swipe out any of the bubbles. That is not the case. So there are some bubbles. I will try to fill them in. I don't have high hopes for that because the colors are so blended. I really don't think I'm gonna be able to match it, but I'm gonna try. This is a painting, and I think it looks like a planet, which is kind of par for the course recently. It seems like the last month or so, all I'm painting is beach and ocean, sunset, and planets. So it must just be the mood I'm in, because even when I'm not trying to go for that, it seems like that's what I'm getting. I like it though, I like the look of it. So how I'm doing this is with a Shelly Art Bloom recipe with the super thick paint, so you're not gonna get a lot of mud when you're swiping through these and the colors are mixing. I laid down a white pillow paint, came in and just started laying colors in different areas. And then I came in with this palette knife, swiped through the colors, and there's so many variations when you're swiping. You could swipe through it all, you could swipe through part of it and leave part of it unswiped. It's really up to you and what look you're going for. Then I came in with my little baby palette knife. I put a Shelly Art Cell Activator on the back of it with Australian Floetrol mixed with acrylic paint. All of the recipes for the Cell Activator, the pouring medium, that's all in the description below. So I put the Shelly Art Cell Activator on the back of this. I did copper and turquoise blue, and then I came in and just did these very little swipes through it so you can see it, and you'll see it on the close-up. There's just these little areas of cells and then Cell Activator lines, and I think it has a really nice look. When you're swiping, both when you're mixing the colors and when you're doing your Cell Activator, keep in mind, don't dig into your paint. You're just trying to glide your palette knife smoothly over, so you're not digging down into the pillow. It's not making a big mess. So just keep that in mind, a real smooth swipe just over the top. I believe that was everything. I do want to mention my 2 partners. Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are premiering directly after this. Their videos and channels are in the description below, so make sure you check them out. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I appreciate you being here, and have an amazing week.